Hello everyone, it's me, Don Maarko, and I'm back again with another video. In this video I've come to a place called Taoyuan. This is a city in northern Taiwan. The only reason I normally come here is to go to the airport or to go shopping at one of their outlets called Glory Outlets. But today I have come here for an interview. So I haven't done videos for a while because my life's a bit of a mess. I'm looking for a new job now, so I'm fully focused on that. My interview today was supposed to be 2 o'clock. It's been rescheduled to 4 o'clock. So now I'm here in Taoyuan, and I haven't really come to central Taoyuan ever since I moved to Taiwan. There's no particular reason to come here, so I'm just gonna have a walk around in this video, see what central Taoyuan's like, and then I thought I'll share it with you. So let's have a walk around together, Let's get into it. So this area is literally just outside the train station, and for anyone who has been to Taiwan before, this area here reminds me a little bit of a place close to Taipei City called Banqiao. Banqiao is one of the main places in New Taipei City. So this reminds me a little bit of Banqiao. So we're going to get across this road here. I don't think we have the time, but it seems like this area is shopping maybe. There's a department store there, and I've just been inside this department store here, FE21, because I have been planning for my interview. So I have been in there for a little bit, and now I'm gonna head to my interview. So we're gonna have a walk down here, see what's down there. I don't have as much time as I would like to make this video because I spent the afternoon, like lunchtime, planning for my interview, and then I was gonna leave the interview and leave the planning. I was gonna head straight to the interview, but just because the interview got delayed, I now have a little bit of free time. So there's a few more fancier looking shops around here, look. I don't know if they're posh shops or what, but it looks a bit fancier. I'll show you. The shops over here look a bit more modern. I don't know if they're posh or not, they just look more modern. But central Taoyuan is very Taiwan looking. I know that sounds like an odd thing to say, but it is very Taiwan looking. So I'm gonna go down here. This looks like a main road down there, the left and right road. So I'm gonna go down there and see what's down there. This kind of shop here, these replicate the night market games, look. So you can play this kind of game. These are the games you'll often see in the night market. This kind of shop is popular now. And here is all the junk you can win. It is essentially just junk, like. I don't know why in Taiwan they love collecting so much junk, man. So I'm right, this is more like a main road. There is actually loads of shopping here, but if you, like I say, if you've ever been to a place called Banqiao, this area in Taoyuan really reminds me of central Banqiao. Central Banqiao is close to my home. I've just found something that looks a bit mental. Someone's got a nail shop across the road, and then outside they have like a hand on their shop. I'm gonna get over there and show you. Just wait till the lights change. I'm not sure if you can see it from here, but it's over the road there. Someone's hand with fancy nails. Alright, this is central Taoyuan. Little walkabout while I find the bus stop, like, and wait for my interview. What's down that way? There's not a lot down that way. Okay, we have to go across first. I'm gonna head down there, look. That direction the camera's facing to, there's more things this way than behind us. Behind us doesn't look like it's got much. So the train station is down that road there. That's where I come from. And this is what central Taoyuan looks like, look. Checking out central Taoyuan. I'm gonna go and get a picture with the nails, as you do. I think it'll be hard to get a picture, but look, There is, and you see that? The nails up there, man. Imagine that dangling off your shop. I can't get a picture here like I planned. I was going to get a picture here with the nail hanging off the wall, the hand and the nails. But look how busy the road is. I think I'll end up killing myself if I do that. For some reason this is like nail street. Loads of nail shops here. Aye. So I didn't really know if I've got time to go to many places. Like, look at this weird building here. Imagine living in there. Look at it, man. And I can't figure out if it would be tacky living there or tacky or creepy living there. I don't know. Club over there, look. 3rd floor club. Aye, so I don't think I've got much time for this video. Like, I'll walk down this road, see what's down the end of this road, then I'll do a time check. My interview's at 4, it's probably 3 now, but the bus says it takes half an hour to get there, and I need to find the bus stop. In general, what I would say about this area is, it isn't any different to other city centre areas in Taiwan. It's very similar. That's the same when you go to most countries though, isn't it? If you go to a city, a lot of cities have the same kind of stuff going on in them. If you want to find the more unique things, you have to go to like the little smaller places and that. So I think I'm gonna have to head back to the station. Like, I'm just heading down this road. I think I can probably go down this road and swing, like do a loop. But there's, as far as it goes for being the central area close to the train station, there is not a lot going on here. Like, it is a little bit naff, if I'm going to be truthful. It is a little bit poop. There's not a lot to do here. There's not even many places to cross the road, man. Look, I'll show you. Oh, I will come all the way down this road. The train station's directly opposite now. I want to just cross the road over here. But there's no way to cross the road just at the end of the street or the bottom of the street. Look, see what I mean? This road is kind of busy, so you can cross the road there, or you can cross the road right down the other side where I walked from. In theory, it's not that far, like, but when you live in Taiwan, you just get used to there being loads of places to cross the road. Like, everything in Taiwan is convenience. They value convenience over a lot of different stuff, man. Convenience is number one for Taiwanese people. Aye, so this video, we're just literally having a quick walk around because I don't have a great deal of time, but I thought because the interview got delayed, I might as well give you a little gander. A little gander means a little look. Alright, we're at the road now. Cross here. This road is busy as, man. Alright, so I'm just waiting here to cross the road. The layout of this area of Taoyuan is a bit of a mess. It probably sounds like I'm shitting on Taoyuan a little bit, and I kinda am. Like, this is the reason why people don't really come here. There's everything here you can do elsewhere, and it's like a better place. But there is some places in Taoyuan that are good, but I think the city centre's got now going for it. Like, you only come here if you work, or I don't know, there might be a restaurant you like here or something. Come here to meet friends, something like that. As far as tourism and things like that go, not many people are coming to central Taoyuan, like. So I'm just gonna slip down this road. That's the station at the end of the street there. Right, so I am back at the station area now where I've started, and I am afraid that I do know this video is going to be really short, but it's a video I didn't expect to be making in the first place. Like I said, it's just because my interview got rearranged, so I thought I would give you a quick look around this little area where I am, because I've never been here before and the chances of me coming back here are very low because it is not the best. That's putting it nicely. It's not the best. So I'm back where I started from. I just did a little loop around the area. Now I have to find the bus. I'll give you one quick look and then I'm heading off. So apparently this is the front of the area. It's got live bands and restaurants here, but it looks pretty minging. It does look pretty minging there. This is where I started my little 15-20 minute walk. There's a snooker hall in here. There's a handful of department stores as well. That's the one I told you I started in planning for my interview. And over here they've got some food stands, look, like a little indoor area here, but there's not a lot of options by the look of it. It's a little indoor area here with food, and not a lot going on here. Like, I've just finished my interview and I am in some part of Taoyuan right now, and I just want to say, like, this part of Taoyuan's busier. Look, there's loads going on this road, but to be honest, what I think about Taoyuan is it just feels run down and grimy and grotty and that. I don't want to shit all over it, but that's how it feels. It feels like it needs a good lick of paint. Just some money thrown into it, man. Update it. Alright, so that's my feelings about another part of Taoyuan from future me, and we're going back to past me. Right, so I'm just going to end the video here. I thought there might be something around nearby. I did think there could possibly be something around the corner, up the road or down the road, but there's absolutely nothing here, man. There's a few shops, a few department stores, but in general, this area around Taoyuan Station is a little bit of a dead zone, man. There's not a lot going on here. So this video has been my little wander around Taoyuan Station, see what it's like. It's a bit of an ad hoc video. It wasn't supposed to be done. It did get done, but I just thought I'd give you a little look because I had the time to. That's it in a nutshell. I had the time to do it, so I did it. If you like this video, I'm not sure if you will or you won't. What's to like? Anyway, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, click the little subscribe button, and I will see you next time. And on a side note, hopefully I can start banging out the videos again. So see you next time. See you later.